My family has been in the liquor industry for over 40 years. Years ago, my father dreamed of creating a world-class cream liqueur from New Zealand dairy, but the timing wasn't right. A generation later, we've picked up that dream and we're running with it. In just a few years, Remarkable Cream has gone from a homegrown idea to over 1.3 million in revenue, hundreds of retail stores, and a growing, loyal consumer base. We've achieved this by doing things differently, blending tradition with bold product innovation. We make award-winning cream liqueurs using real local cream, premium spirits, and unique New Zealand flavours. We've pioneered a low-sugar keto cream liqueur that also offers low lactose attributes for the lactose-sensitive customers, and all going out to customers in a distinctive aluminium bottle, offering better shelf life, supply chain resilience, and sustainability. But now, demand is pushing our existing site to its limits. To grow, we're raising capital to build a scalable, purpose-built production facility. We'll expand our sales team, support more retail stores across New Zealand and Australia, and double down on what sets us apart: R&D, product innovation. The global cream liqueur market is worth over $5 billion and New Zealand, with its world-class dairy and trusted brand, deserves to be a powerhouse in this category. Join us and help build the next great New Zealand export brand.